friends, welcome to the Freshfield Fitness YouTube channel. My name is Daphne and I'm here to share some Tai Chi, QiGong and low impact exercises for you to follow at home. I'm a personal trainer and a gym instructor, but along the way I also found Tai Chi and QiGong, and I find that I have fallen in love with this type of exercise. I love the way that we have the time to consider our posture, to consider our core, our body alignment is. It makes us very body aware. Also gives you the opportunity to think about where your weight is distributed and the transfer of weight between one leg and another before you make a movement. And anyone can do it, any age, any fitness level, and whether you're a beginner or you've been doing Tai Chi and QiGong for a long time, it's great to find your own flow. I'm not looking for perfect practitioners. I'm looking to help people introduce them to Tai Chi and QiGong and develop a love for this type of exercise, because it's a really effective way of building strength, working out your major muscle groups without being too heavy duty on your joints. And I find it a great way to be calm, be centered, be peaceful, present and mindful within all my movements. Please subscribe to the channel. I hope you support me in developing these videos so that you can follow them along at home. Thanks for watching.